Happy Easter to our 22 viewers. So kung gusto niyo mag-fanboy at mag-fangirl, you need to be really patient. A lot of waiting is involved. Shout out to Anchor Aljon. The last time we did this year, magkasama kami. At si Ashley, kasama din namin that time. Yes po, sabi ni Jerry. Ellen Dayaw. Hello Ellen and Jesri. Nangawit na si Kuya. In fairness, ang luwag today kasi the other times that we did this, may security dito tapos paalisin kami dyan. So pupunta kami doon sa gilid ng daan. So far so good. Nakaka-stay kami dito right in front of the gate. And sabi ni Chinese fan na kaibigan ko, Chinese Anchor fan, hindi na daw Horizon bus yung gamit nila. Hindi na rin yung white van, it's a black van na daw. So nagbago na sila ng service. Mas updated pa si Chinese fan kaysa sa akin, to be honest. If you're working on this if you're working on this building, you could see the idols. Overlooking kasi siya. Ating mga photographers ay nangawit na, upo muna sila. Meron pa tayong 60% of battery. Hopefully umabot sa Hori Boys. Napaka anticlimactic pag hindi umabot. So while waiting, fellow anchors, what is your favorite Horizon song so far? Ayan, chat nyo sa chat box. Nandito ata ang NCT, no? May mga light stick ng NCT. The green light sticks.